Morning. Welcome to your maths lesson. Another day, another maths lesson, and we're not actually going to be adding any fractions up today, a bit different from yesterday. So yesterday we were adding fractions, we were adding proper fractions within the whole, so we were not going above 1. But that is something that we will be doing, and before we do that, I want us to be really good at converting improper fractions, so fractions greater than 1, into mixed numbers, and mixed numbers back into improper fractions. I think it's really important that we can make those exchanges, as it were. So today we're going to focus on converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. And I know some of you can do it, some of you can have a go at it, but I want to make it really clear exactly how we do it. So, you all know I like a little bit of Prosecco. And at Christmas, it's a time to celebrate. So on Christmas Eve, I drank 1 3/4 bottles of Prosecco. Oh dear. Okay, but what I want to know is actually how many quarters is that altogether? I'm going to draw it, okay? You can probably all tell me that the answer is 7 quarters. But we're going to prove it. We're going to actually have a look. So, I'm not very good at drawing bottles and dividing them into quarters, so my bottles are going to be very oblong-ish. Now, I need more than 1 because I've got 1 and a bit more. Okay, so I need my 2 bottles, and I'm going to divide them both into 4 equal parts, but I don't actually want 2, so I want 1 whole, so I know that's 4 quarters, and I want 3 quarters of that one, so I can get rid of that bit. So there I've got 3 quarters. Oh look, we're back kind of into adding fractions. If I add them together, 4 quarters and 3 quarters, I do actually get 7 quarters. Okay, I'm going to do one more because I think you'll be absolutely fine doing these yourself. So I'm going to say, right, how many sixths are there? In 2 and 5 sixths. So that's my mixed number. It's made up of an integer or a whole number and a proper fraction. So I'm going to draw it again. Now this time I need more than 2, don't I? So I'm going to have to draw 3 wholes because I need more than 2, and I need to divide them all into 6. Now you know and I know that these are not all exactly the same, that my parts are not all exactly the same, but it's a model, it's a representation, so that doesn't matter so long as we understand that they represent equal parts. So I want all of that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we know it's 6 sixths in a whole because that's what a sixth is, it's a whole divided into 6 parts. So I've got 6 sixths there, and I've got 6 sixths there. That's my 2. And I don't want all of those again. I don't want that one. So I have got 5 sixths. So if I add them all together, 6 and 6 is 12, add 5 is 17 sixths. Okay, so if you need to draw yourself something visual like that to help you, that's absolutely fine. But actually, what do we notice? Are there any shortcuts that we can take? Because I like to spot a pattern. I like to spot what we can do. Well, I've got 1 lot of 4, haven't I? 1 lot of 4 plus the 3 extras. Okay, so 1 lot of 4. So I've got one lot of 4, is that right? Yeah, okay. Plus 3. Well, that would give me my numerator, wouldn't it? That would give me the number of quarters that I've got. Because I've got one complete lot of 4, which is that bar. And then I've got 3 quarters there. Okay, so to work out your numerator, maybe you can multiply your integer, your whole number. So that's my, I'm going to put WN, my whole number. That's my denominator. And that's my part numerator. I wonder if that always works. Should we try it over here? So I've got 2 lots of 6, which is 2 lots of 6, 2 lots of 6, and I'm adding on those 5. Well, that's 12, and that gives me 17. Okay, so I think we've spotted a pattern here. Even without your help, I've managed to spot it. So to work out the numerator of an improper fraction, you multiply your whole number by your denominator, and then you add on the numerator of the part in the mixed number. Okay, that's just a different way. That's the way we probably do it mentally without even realising it. Or if you need to, you've got models that you can use. Okay, I'm going to upload the work as well. I'm only doing 1 lesson today. I'm not going mad and doing 2 like I did yesterday, because I think we just need to be really, really secure that everyone is good at these. I will also upload some extra work for if you power through it really quickly and need a challenge, okay? Although I have to say, I keep looking, you can probably see me keep looking off to one side. It's where my planning is. But the deepen it, I think that'll probably take me a few minutes to work out. It's quite tricky. We'll find out when I do it later to give you the answers. Have fun doing it, guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye.